NDC force say asema ba presidency hono. Assembly is saying we are hearing, and this one I was passing in the market and I meet say market women menu e bon komo. Omun komo na me be report chiremo. Enti yese mi na meka. Enti national security and I say obi antimi be chimi say maka sembia debi because a reported speech. I was passing through the market. I heard two market women having a conversation, and whatever they were saying is what I'm coming to share with you. If I'm lying, then it means those market women were the one lying. Unfortunately, I don't know the market women. I didn't see their face. I was walking behind their container. So that's my disclaimer. We are hearing say President John Dramani Mahama has ditched Papa Julius Debrah. Monem say in the very beginning of this presidency, now we were hearing some names. Those names, they are most likely to be the next flag bearers or NDC. One of the names is General Mosquito. Another name is Julius Debrah. Then we also heard of Asedu Nketia. And yes, sir. Until we heard, Julius Debrah, General Mosquito, and then Haruna Idrisu. I think these are the three names that we started hearing from the very beginning of this whole who would take over at John Mahama. Nkrofo na omo the camp and I say omo Jubilee House no. We also heard about Prof Jane. Until now 4 Prof Jane. But later on, Haruna Idrisu Ebeka say he expects that Prof Jane will become a president someday. So it means that Haruna out is left with Prof Jane, Julius Debrah, and then Asedu Nketia. Now, Prof Jane for most of this year now yari. Grammar na ne wumfano. Enti ono ane die ne say, ensi e fa yari sre nipa. Enti I will not say anything funny. But Prof Jane virtually for this year, he spent most of the year outside the country. Most of 2025, your vice president, Grandma, she spent it outside the country for most of the year. Now, whilst Grandma was away, Julius Debrah, any Asedu Nketia, they took advantage of the situation. And Julius Debrah and Asedu Nketia will say, Grandma, let's start doing our campaign towards becoming a flag bearers for NDC. Now, what were their tactics? Julius Debrah started becoming a personal trainer. Keep fit. And you still keep fit to Ashanti region. Guest of honor, Julius Debrah. Keep fit, our Cape Coast. Guest of honor, Julius Debrah. Keep fit, our who? Guest of honor, Julius Debrah. And one very important thing is say, wow, person contesting for election, and so we really want to. We are Berman person contest here. Your wife must be beautiful. Ghanaians are beginning to pay attention to that. Ever since we had a year, I think Mami Lordina Mahama, she's very beautiful and she has a very good back case, right? From her, we saw Papa Nakufuado, Nigiri, Mami Rebecca, very beautiful, skin as skin. Ahonfe. Then Madame Modina is back. And politicians are beginning to say, Ghanaians are paying attention to who becomes a first lady. And it's very important. And when they say, it's because of that you see that this current campaign, on our working in Japan, Stella, also in the campaign. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the wife, you see our beautiful Samira, also in the campaign. That's what politicians have seen. Ghanaians want a beautiful first lady. And while we are Bema, we forget about it. President Unya Bindi. At least not in this generation. Unya Bindi. So, Julius Debrah, who I didn't say, say, hey, assembly, man, smarter. Assembly, beba, quickly. And I'll fire curves are curves. Gluteal muscles are gluteal muscles. Why winning gluteal muscles are a two no. A two. Ne scientific ne muscles are one, a friend of gluteal muscles. gluteal muscle. Who on banner to me will say, hey, about where there. I say age gap no there. Allegedly. I say my make you market women neck out. And you mean I make out. Who on banner to me will say age gap no. I say be 30 years crown. A be 30 years age gap. Who's me who a name no who Julius Debrah name no call who ni name I say where there brought in for election purposes. See, who couldn't Julius Debrah name ni now much skinny hair or keep fit. Then General Mosquito also started doing his own thank you tour. After John Mahama did thank you tour, no? Asiano Kete also did his own thank you tour all over the nation. Mosquito going around giving malaria. And General Mosquito went around giving malaria bars. Now, General Mosquito also did that before Grandma Jane came back. Now, what we are hearing is say, first, now President Mahama has supported Julius Debrah, aka Keep Fit, aka Kervis Lake Queen. But right now, we don't know what has happened. Maybe the next time I go to the market and pass behind that container, I will hear what happened. But yesterday when I passed there, the women did not say that one. But I hear something happened. And now, allegedly, President John Dramani Mahama is no longer supporting Julius Debrah's bid to become flag bearer of NDC. That is what we are hearing. That is the latest info. Say President John Dramani Mahama is no longer supporting Julius Debrah. Now, say, President John Dramani Mahama is supporting Ato Forson. And I'm hearing, say, from what the market women were saying, I'm hearing, say, Ato Forson, John Jinapor. Ato Forson, John Jinapor. That is going to be the ticket that John Mahama will be supporting. Now, this is very important, my MPP for. MPP must pay attention to this. And this is why I'm even talking about it, because NDC is same there and can family. Research has shown, say, Ghanaians don't want any old president again. Ghanaians, they don't want any old president. Say, Omanpenibia wedi 70, Omanpenia wedi 75, Omanpenibia ni hunye fe. They want an energetic leader. Ghanaians want a leader like the way a Senegal forward leader. Ghanaians want a leader like Ibrahim Traore. It's not as if anything, they just want a young leader, a young person, and an energetic person that they can relate with. That is what Ghanaians want. And majority of Ghana's voting population is between the bracket of 20 to 30. Between the bracket of 20 to 30. Now, sa 20 to 34, no, among those who are MPP mo, delegates, there are not many. And this is why it is very important why we must all rally behind Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. NDC has seen, say, as for them, no, if they bring Julius Debrah, Ghanaians man look at the face and say, oh, Papa, we will do. So they are not interested in bringing Julius Debrah, and to the extent, say, the president himself is shifting his allegiance or his support and giving it to a younger person, Ato Forson, John Jinapor. And it's for that reason that under this government, John Mahama, His Excellency, is doing everything possible. Say, Finance Ministry, because they want to give a good name to Ato Forson. So you start hearing, say, Ato is Forson, Ato is Forson, Ato is Forson. It is because they are preparing the young guy or the young man to become the next leader of the NDC. Now, tell me sincerely, wow, you MPP, tell me sincerely, say NDC for the Ato Forson bar, who do you think that will be able to withstand Ato Forson in the MPP other than Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Yes, see presidential debate, see presidential debate I'm going to debate about the economy. That papa no kwa. Ni bubefu or wako straight Ato Forson assume. So when you want someone who is composed, someone who can stand, answer questions intelligently, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And the end is simple. Just 1 year in power, they are strategizing. How much more NPP? We must do better. We must put in more effort. And we must become strategic. NPP, we are not being strategic at all. Because if you were being strategic, and by now, SRC elections, Grassag election, Nooks election, you know. Sorry, it's not easy to talk with code. All those elections, we will have made provisions for all of them, starting getting the young men and all those things. But it's not too late. I believe, say, after 31st January, things will get better. And yes, sir. So that is the news. I mean, our market, you know. I mean, say every now and then, I intentionally go and pass through the market to hear the latest rumor, the latest gossip, and come and tell you.
As an immediate or a young lady, I feel now over. Intimidate famous, some baby musia.
Yes.
One can't show on MPP phone, especially me, communicator Elena Madel could say. Meba now would I know who NDC panelist. I will treat you as an NDC panelist. And no NDC for a program no. Mamma no no is CPP ni. Into hand, tell me so no you're not say or baby Jinapor for the NDC.
I said they fill in the blanks.
Minim and some shut down to make minim so better. Next time, and if I will say GBC, we are GBC, you are supposed to be for the whole nation. You do not turn into one government spokesperson. Government spokesperson, you are more music, no more connection. Obi ama. Intimate pinibio, where me the channel, where you me the channel.
Ato Forson. Okay.
That is one. Edman Osuye Gusun, Dr. Bawumia, Eeei Savannah region. Nyame Yaduma ene.
Okay.
Tiba enyime ochana pade na wa back to crime. Monday, Greater Accra de no.
Listen.
Ifiase. Yenya until we rest, until we get to 31st December. Rest the party. Enya dia Dr. Bawumia obe rest ama ya ka ya rest bi. Tinjinem. Say aka Northern region proper. I think so. Into announced between now to 31st. We Greater Accra, not just Ashanti region. Now, Northern region. I still don't know how the movement will be, but you be by the 31st. It's a bronye. Yeah, sure say you be
last time maybe sir honorable need to say general or we call
Northern region.
I don't know whether the timetable will be some.
It depends. In America, but to say the near sure ne say we Savannah ne. Na Nyame Yaduma Monday will start Greater Accra region. Yebedo mu nyina the 4 regions na ya in northern Ghana, upper east, upper west, northeast and a Savannah region. Yedom was ye no. The reception has been great. Of course, we're expecting it to be great. But if you mode ma nyina say it is one party. Yeah, what Dr. Bawumia side there. You say one party. We are responsible. Dr. Bawumia no you're responsible. To wama yenina you're responsible. Bra, winim. Ejuma Dr. Bawumia ye wo me in this me in particular in this current many aba Jennifer. In this current
Why ejuma wo mo ba?
Na me abra ma bre no. Na fomo.
Doc I you.
Yeah,
oh. Nan say we last week I yati afaso.
Say human management.
Auntie na atoshi de ba you know say etifa so kitwa bi na he called us to order. Week so you who say Honorable Ato Forson akokanasem. Ato Forson has a right to also speak. You see any so on Honorable Kennedy Japan they have their own domestic issues. Yes. But wakanasem maybe I mean last 2 years mo had the Honorable Kennedy Japan here. And me, I feel that he should have protected her. He knew her best, but I know your more arrangements. And now, Ophelia, you will not help her career. She has a mouth; she can talk. What can I say, Mary? Me and ya walk at the Japan will support tobacco at yes. No, dear Ato Forson. Cancer Joseph only party penny. Some of the whites mean to me repeat to her. Papa, maybe more dean crap, but meaning some crop from Betty. My main cancer so ban and wife in a nijaba. Or ban and wife in a nija eba. Inti ye MPP for man general Ghanaian women in politics. So catch and say ya shower a normal. Inti nipa na we bomb within someone near Joseph Wadan, you know, when you are prominent men. Correct men, penny for Papa Bio. That should tell you, sir, Joseph, correct human being. Until I shall not the baby theatre. One person, Papa be make an ashawo dear. And you be a papa now, who won't know who didn't china, who can't, your campaign man into the whom to be the Joseph water. Baby, I would know what you have to send about 22. 22, who couldn't add the actual neha, or who be a no decision. Or no, any Joseph one I shall.
And what they will say,
Bema, oh yeah, open my baby, I know if anything.
Oh, Bema Pema,
on the only
and what they will say, oh, Sa branch now, Obubumiano. What's that about you? About your cool giant, there was one shaggy, and the one queen master. Diabona Obobono. There was one shaggy, and one cool master.
What master now we didn't you know? On what year to say. Acknowledged children, 22. Near ya acknowledge ye mekawa. Yenim. Ono nya shawo. Adwasafo oni ono awu mienu no na ya shawo. Papa panimu a kukuru ade ato wo ha. Wo shoulders. Wo hu bia na odi wuram. Wo nya shawo. Dr. Baomi about government to the mintraso.
All right. It's no God to be better.
Me ba maminka and my politics sometimes mama ya bread do. Ye na say no maka try and say ya no ya. Wo wa ya chenyen. Wo be ma papa panimu si amfa Ghana nhyɛ wonsa. Nipa odi wachi ya di oba one wawo nkwala afefe mienu atem just because of a disagreement. Na waja no di atem. Who knows what to say? Who now see a year quiet kuma? Me and my committee, I sorry. Maybe you should buy your government. I have publicly stated it. Menam where me and my Mr. President who form me, AMA role model. Auntie Amabuzia, AMA role model in terms of domestic affairs. Me won't call it do me, remember do me be woman, me no. Ain't I no your problem. It is my life.
Now interesting.
What's now how you dinner them say so ya shall who are they?
So he sponsored.
Woo papa no ya dey. 22 children acknowledged.
You see, China watch here. Thermometer. Ewo.
Because last year, almost somebody thermometer.
And I said, you. They didn't machine. BP machine.
Oh, machine.
I'm not in there.
Last year, because we almost BP
machine.
Sometimes,
Sunday no, a week now. Yeah, it's be called na me ho.
I need to know hobby.
Oh, na me ho. In fact, me in fact, me need the rule e call ye. In fact, you put European discussions no. Adobe kwa benya na me call ye din komo kakra be 1 hour before program no. When me who say no. Adwasafo say the domi kwa benya for penasem no. You have no idea. In fact, me bet so microphone me catch wo mo. Cause me din komo omo penasem na da no ma me no to say na ene ma hye no so. Na ene ma hye no so. Wakasa kama no kan bibi kitua bi. If I can be ye musi me kakra wo ho no mo. No problem. Say de me ka say asem so make obi jembe hye no. In fact ye wie no. Me na me ko ni me ne ko tena ase. Edi ko buza say ne de bese me doping test. Me ka che de say and bese me doping test. No said no na me say de we say afa no. Was Gordon, you have no idea what I've gone through. Was say enkofo eso ne nam na den obi a one na wo e na won support no e na enkofo use no as blackmail e the man was na den obi a wo baby wo peso woko me ko begu me ko difa ye ne de ye dey enti no e ma a wo party mu e wo politics mu generally ya no mo mobo en sema enkofo kafa o ho bra
wonim aya mary man to mun ka bi man ama de ni seni ni me da ma ba cho se bon se
deku
e me de dodo
ko wa beti fi
e me de dodo deku
hɔ no ko tena ya
ye wo me wo ho me ma me papa na free ho me papa free abeti fi me ma me free enuma samankase.
Oh, I see.
When him say politics and kasankasa, me say people who cannot analyze and reason to a level. Na all they do is yampa DB. The regulatory DB say yampa and yampa. Mbe kan na boka in Japan. Ejuma 7,000. Uno bi da kwatra ne boys ne ono atwechi Ken TV social media. Ono okekuma nti mentor ne girls ni nyina ada.
No asa you allegedly.
Unseme
what can buy 5 times you go was allegedly.
So
but allegedly look it doesn't get you from anything no.
One say it is the cheapest way of people who cannot thought to go high.
Yes.
Yeah. That's the only way they can argue.
Yes.
Oh, when we ada. I do say what them. The kasi prove ya.
Obey day.
Improve. I am pampa. But it is a way and not just a man peneliomo. But they will say the easiest way our person create confusion outside obidia they do in politics. Now Nenti I'll be saying me. I am a shame, say, like Ubisas man and Mada no Mudia day. Yeah, I say, yeah, Jia to myself, bear my ya bonin. Correct. Now, me and Nenti, I want to say, one, you don't a bracket to Musa, we need rights and what yes, it's a one socially, culturally, no, I can want dignity.
Yes,
hi, to me, I am a hay, but or no. What the corner society?
I can't meet a maybe bring person.
Politics.
Now, I mean, can't some food with some phone or bar society no akase or ye memasem. Free moi, nay, ya send a tie bibi. Bema, ya bonny this a one open man, nay, ya say day. Ah, I'm telling you. Me no. Contest. Say, said the market kayan. Society ness yajiatu. Say, Bay Casa Bema Quape Mass and Yendu. But back at the Tuesday or Pemema say pa, Fena or Pierre Clopan and the dignity in the Abaform. It's guys say such a person was with free more. No, yes, and no crampono. Yana, yes, I'll be.
How to Peter say, who call elections are Zemi call elections. So, you're very much say me, I'm simply city. Na me ani bi crown to me move sir. So oba crown mari bi. And then you be Peter. Oh yeah. I want to match me wrong. Oh, I see the brace.